Noise persists, not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists. Noise persists. Not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists, not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it.
Arrangement without design. Pieces align then slip. Structure happens without intent. Organized without author.
Noise persists. Noise persists. Not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward. Pieces align and slip, and still they hold a shape.
Organized without author.
The shape it keeps changing and
Noise persists.
noise persists. Not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts forward.
Noise persists. Noise persists. Noise persists.
Noise persists, not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it.
Noise persists.
Noise persists. Noise persists, not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists.
Noise persists.
Noise persists, not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists. Noise persists. Noise persists. Put your ear in. Not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists. Noise persists. Not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists. Not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists.
Noise persists.
Noise persists. Put your ear in. Not error, not Noise persists, not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists. Noise persists. Noise persists. Not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists, not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists, noise persists. Scripture being not error, not excess. It teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it. Noise persists, not error, not excess. Teaches without lesson. Listening shifts toward it.
No.